Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This really tough, hardy perennial comes back year after year. It's called Brunnera Sea Heart. Now, Brunnera Sea Heart has got gorgeous foliage, grows roughly around 30 centimeters high, spreads around the same across, silver and green foliage like that. And it's got blue flowers, blue forget-me-not like flowers that stands up over the foliage, and the contrast of the blue flowers and the silver foliage looks fantastic. Really tough, hardy perennial, maybe front of a bed or border, winter hardy, and comes back year after year. Now, this is the time of year to plant Brunnera Sea Heart. This decent sized planting will dig a hole about twice the depth of the pot. Put some super thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, well compost and soil on top, and the same back in around. And this hardy Brunnera will be in your garden for years and years to come. So this Brunnera Sea Heart can be planted from now. Gorgeous foliage, and then you've got the blue flowers. That's fantastic with the foliage standing up over the foliage. Looks wonderful. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.